Hi, good afternoon. I am CH Reddy from Crystal Spiders Institute. So today, guys, we are going to understand an error message. When I was running an update command in one of the database in MS SQL Server, so I got this error message. The error message is the log for the database is not available. Check the operating system error log for related error messages. So usually this is the error message we can see when we are trying to insert, update, delete the data from a table in one database. So this is the database I am trying to do this operation. So how to fix this? Let's see that how to fix this error message. So for that, I'm going to restart this SQL Server service. So right click and restart that SQL Server service. Give me a minute. So it is restarting SQL Server service. So now the restart is done. So let's connect it to the database and try to run this update command. Yeah, it is worked. That's it, guys. Thanks.